I think we are doing well. What is killing Nigeria is the elite and the political class. It has nothing to do with the citizens who are law-abiding, who are struggling to keep life going. It is the elitist class, the political class, who have either lost in the government and trying to find their relevance back. They will go back to their ethnic base and start preaching ethnicity, that we are edged out because we belong to either Fulani or Yoruba or Igbo and so on and so forth. But when they are in government, they don't remember that they belong to this class of tribes only because they have formed a cartel. You know, they are together on that page of exploiting the country. But the moment they lost out, they will go back and start whipping sentiment and emotion. And that is why the laws are weak. Because anybody who has served this country in the capacity either of a minister or a governor and what have you, and found using language that is not really in tandem with our national interests, should have a consequences to face. Otherwise, we'll continue going along this way, and our children, our grandchildren will continue to go along this way. It is high time for people to understand that, look, nobody created land, nobody created tribe, nobody created religion. We all find ourselves in it. Yes. And you cannot change it because you have no power to change nature. Nature has established its authority. You cannot question it. What you need to do is to align yourself with the nature and develop where you are and make it a place that others can come and envy. Just the way people travel to UK, look at Dubai. If you minus 20, 25 years out of Dubai, it's not better than Ghana. Mm-hmm. But because they got a visionary leader, it's the center of the world right now. It's the center of attraction. Go to Egypt recently. Look at the development. Because I've gotten a president who is committed to developing the system. Why can't we do it? Was it that we don't have the resources? Nigeria is one of the richest countries on earth. There's no reason why we cannot link every 6 zones of the country through superhighways. Okay. It's easier, it's cheaper, it's economically viable. The money is there. Look at individuals that are in government that are looting trillions of naira. What happened to them? Even like we are talking today, they are being shielded. Look at the messages going on in the NNPC in the name of subsidy. So we have absolutely questioned who are the list of people that have been paid subsidy. Okay. There is none. President Buhari campaigned on subsidy removal. He called it a fraud when he was campaigning. But he ran his government under that fraud throughout. Now Bola took the silver bullet by saying that I have removed the subsidy. But we are waiting for the details of that subsidy that have been removed. Was it not an underdevelopment? Was it not compromising the country? It's absolutely compromising the country. Look at the racketeering or profiteering of the CBN. I hope they would classify the investigation that is going on. You will pity this country. And these are people that have benefited directly from the system. Most of them were under the scholarship of the federal government of Nigeria. They went to the best universities. Yet they are the one ruining the country. Because we have no laws that create specific deterrence for individuals that undermine the authority of Nigeria. Look at the segregation going on. Look at the Southeast. Very prosperous people, business-oriented, brilliant, intelligent. Look at how politicians have caused the killings and the maimings and the killings of business. Poverty is ravaging everywhere now. Look at the Northwest. Very homogeneous people. Kidnapping, killing their own. Who are you blaming for that? So if it is on ethnic basis, these people that are homogeneous, one tribe, where are they killing and maiming themselves? Something is fundamentally wrong. Something is disconnected. And because we have failed in our leadership, from our religious scholars to traditional rulers to all of us that are elite, we have compromised this country. And we cannot get it right unless those who are responsible are being punished. And you have leaders that have capacity to create deterrence in all the strata of the country. It is possible Nigeria will be the greatest country on earth, but you have to deal with the facts. You have to deal with the reality. You have to punish those who compromise the country. Otherwise, I don't see any other way. No country was have grown out of lawlessness and impunity, rascality and recklessness. No country on earth. Go to here, Cameroon, just Cameroon, go to Benin Republic. You can't disobey the traffic light. But here, what happens? So who are we blaming? We must take responsibility. We are all responsible. All of us, including you people in the media, the politicians, we are all responsible. We
I'm
responsible.
I'm not
individuals who have compromised the countries, they were protected because they belong to one interest or the other. And this is not good for us as a nation. We must start firm. We must be decisive. Our generation cannot be forgiving. Me and you, our generation cannot be forgiving. Because we have traveled everywhere. We have seen the best of infrastructure. And we wish to have it here. And we have the opportunity to have it. But we are dealing with everything along ethnic, religious line. Now, give me the statistics from 1999. Don't even go during Shagari regime. During Shagari regime, Shagari have fully scale utilization of power. There was no discrimination during Shagari regime. As I'm talking to you, I can remember majority of Shagari ministers. But I cannot remember most of Buhari's ministers. I can remember up to 10 Buhari's ministers because they are very low profile people. Now, if you minus military administration contribution to the development of Nigeria, physical infrastructure, and so on and so forth, and then you look at what the civilian government have done, it means that there are more embedded corruption. There is more act of disloyalty in a democratic dispensation compared to even military dispensation. Because democracy is supposed to be government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Now, if you go to a village, you will not see there is a government. But we had a military administration where there's a network of connectivity to the community level about government policies and programs. Do you have it today under military, under democratic administration? The answer is no. The citizen knows about what is going on in government? The answer is no.
No.
Whose responsibility to communicate with them and even to seek their views when taking a national decision? It is government. Do you have it? The answer is yes. Are they using it? The answer is no. They abandoned it. The National Orientation Agency is the same mums are before that have ravaged every sector of this country. What are they doing today? So, in as much as we want to shift blame, we must take also responsibility. Because if a foundation has been laid, it's your responsibility to move that foundation forward to a viable height. It's not for you to keep on killing that foundation and shifting blame on people who have contributed immensely to the foundation and development of the country. So politicians must take note that they are part of the retrogressive level that this country is going through today. Go and take the budget provisions and the implementations from the ministries, agencies, and parastatals. Go through it. You are a journalist. Go and find out the implementation of the budgets, whether it's been implemented or not, at where and what are the areas that have been budgeted and been implemented. You will weep. And who do you blame? Do you blame the founding fathers? Do you blame military regime that have done their bit and quit? Or who do you blame? We have a democratically elected government right now. They inherited insecurity. They inherited grounded economy from who? From the same party of the same government of APC. And it's the reason why there was nothing to showcase in 100 days in office. It was a grounded system that was inherited. Completely grounded. He's struggling to be on his feet up to now that I'm talking to you. They can't do anything. So, who do you blame? You blame former military Babangida, or you blame Obasanjo, or who blame?
But what do we
take
blame?
Responsibility. Our ability to move the country forward is extremely very low, but our ability to steal is extremely very high.
Aye.
And without caring what happened, look at Abuja today. It's the center of kidnapping. Everywhere. Under which government? Under a civilian, democratically elected government. They inherited this insecurity. They inherited the weaponization of poverty. And yet, nothing tangible is being done about it. It's clear. He got 8.something million votes. As a journalist and a historian, go and find out what was the vote that produced President Shehu Shagari. Coming back, what was the vote that produced Jonathan? What was the vote that produced Buhari and others? So which means that he needs to build that legitimacy base. Given his background, knowing his performance record, I was in Lagos when he was a governor. My thought and my conviction that Bola will be far, far better than President Muhammad Buhari. President Muhammad Buhari was the lowest Nigeria have witnessed. The killing, the maiming, the barbarism, the segregation, offers everywhere. And then coming from that perspective, belonging to the same platform of APC, we are dipping more and more into trouble. And you were sworn in as a president. Now, only appointment is tilted towards one thing. Somebody from London, one of my very close friends for years, in fact, I've not spoken to her for close to 5-6 years. She sent me a very pathetic, long message. She said, look, let me tell you this. We, the Yorubas, we are not happy the way the appointments are going. Taking from what Buhari have did, he damaged the House of Fulani. He created fight. Now, if Bola continues the way he's going to pinch a major fight between other ethnic tribes and the Yorubas. That we are not in for that. We are in for a Nigeria that is well spread, well acceptable, well accommodated. The reason why we said that, look, since there's a lot of imbalance in the system, even within the APC, try to get a government of national unity. But first, you need political environment, even for investors domestically to invest, not to talk of international investors. And you need to bring a national reconciliation processes. Look at every concern and nip it. And then build a confidence of generational leaders that are vast, that are exposed, that have what it takes to drive a process. Now you appoint ministers that have not held any position, even councillorship, to drive a ministry. And you expect them to drive that ministry to a success. What miracle will they perform? Without any experience, based on patronage, you brought in people without looking at national interest. How can you move on? Which means you will be experimenting for 2 years in that ministry to know even what is going on. You've not been in that chain of administration. There's no any experience along the line. So even those that were brought in, you can hardly mention maybe 6 or 7 that you can, yes, they are very good, they are very versatile, they are very excellent. Others are out of patronage. They campaign for me. But service to the country was left in the analysis and the consideration. You change the service chiefs, yet the security situation is deteriorated. Like I mentioned to you, Abuja is now a center of kidnapping. How do you explain that? Which means nobody is safe. So what I expect is that me and you, that belongs to this generation, where our elders have failed in providing decent leadership, we must keep our differences aside. This country is well endowed. Every part of this country is endowed by God. What we need to do is to create a platform of economic viability, amend the Land Use Act. States should develop their own natural mineral resources, build their own resource base, create a percentage for federal, state take care of their own bills and their own developmental processes. But the way it is, you will deny the state due to incumbency or protocol to develop at their own pace, given their natural minerals, is not acceptable. The population is expanding, over 200-something million. In the next 10-15 years, Nigeria will clock about 30 million population. And the population is a wealth. It's not a deficiency. Unless you have irresponsible government, then the population will turn against the nation. There will not be growth, there will be violence, you cannot feed the population, the demand have outweighed the supply, and therefore violence is inevitable. Anarchy is inevitable. And that is the phase that we are right now. We are having peace before, simply because we have food at home to eat. Even if we don't have the component to make it sweet, but we have a food to eat and feed the family. But today you don't have the food. The money is not available. You can't get access to it. People have gone into drugs. The younger generations are into drugs. They are into weapons for survival. Who do you blame? You blame the military administration? Or you blame us politicians? We have not learned our lesson after military coup. In 1999, I was part of the formation of PDP from G7. I know how we suffered. There was not even money. Contributors would be 20, 40, 50,000 naira. We went around this country to form PDP. We were able to form a government. So the economy was open. But what happened today? Where are we today? We must take responsibility. Otherwise, all those who are saying there is no nation or the constitution was not written by civilians, who wrote the constitution? Even during the militarism, are they not Nigerians? Are they not civilians that were recruited lawyers to write the constitution? Are you denying them being citizens of Nigeria simply because they are part of the drafting of the constitution under a military regime? Those military leaders, are they not Nigerians? So we are not in an era of military regime now. We've been in the era of democratically elected government since 1999. What happens? What are the development? What are the statistics that you have? Given every administration, what have they achieved in terms of empowering Nigeria, reducing the level of unemployment? Millions of graduates roaming the streets are turning into drugs addicts, taxi drivers, and so on and so forth. Who do you blame? We are responsible for it.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò, mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi, ẹ̀yin kó lẹ́tìkẹ́ báyìí. Àárín ni màá ti mú ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Ṣẹ́rí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, àwọn points tó wà ńbẹ̀ ni màá sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. Number one, Mr. Man, you are asking us who to blame. No, you didn't need to ask the whole public who to blame. You all know that ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń ṣe government of Nigeria, you are the one to blame. Ẹ̀yin Nigerian politician, you are the one to blame, not we citizen. Because you also said it pé ní access sí bówó ṣe ń lọ, yes or no. You answer it thoroughly, say no. Mọ bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe Nàìjíríà, mọ irú iná meeting tẹ́ ń ṣe, mọ bẹ́ ṣe ń pín bọ́jẹ́ẹ̀tì, mọ bẹ́ ṣe ń pín owó, mọ bẹ́ ṣe ń yáwó. Ẹ̀yin fúnra yín lè ṣe meeting ẹ̀ ní iná. The only thing we will only hear ni wípé Nigeria tuntun ti lọ yá so amount. We don't know what you people are doing with the money. So thank you for answering that your question. Pé we Nigerians, we don't know. We citizens of Nigeria, we don't know anything about it. Thank you for that. Now, máì tún wá sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan. Ṣẹ́rí Koríta Tadé, aró ògo kò sí aró rẹ̀ dìyẹ. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ Ìgbòho ti dàgó. House ò gbádùn, rep ò gbádùn, senator ò sinmi. Àárín wọn ò tó, òun lẹ fi rí wọn tó fi bọ́ta one by one tó ní kálukú wọn wá ń sọ oríṣiríṣi. Gbogbo ohun tí màá wá ń sọ, ẹ bá mi bí léèrè wípé ṣé sì ti President Bola Ahmed Tinubu débẹ̀, ṣé sì ló ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni? Ṣé ìsìn ló ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó wá kàlẹ́ sùn sílẹ̀ ìsìn, ṣé sì ló ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣebí wọ́n jọ máa ń kún, wọ́n jọ máa ń pa, wọ́n jọ máa ń dáwọ́ bò nínú ilé ni. Ó ní bàbá Tinubu, ara àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ, mo ti náà points ni màá yọ tí màá sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí mi. Ó nígbà tí bàbá Tinubu fẹ́ débẹ̀, bàbá Tinubu sọ wípé subsidy is a fraud, is a scam. So àwọn máa nídà àti gbógun ti subsidy, wọ́n gbọ́ subsidy lọ. Subsidy tí bàbá Tinubu yọ láti jọ́nà náà ló gbé wa débi tá a dé. Bàbá tó wá sọ fún yín wípé subsidy ò dá o, fraud ni wọ́n fi ṣe, olè lọ fi ń jà, àfi ká yọ. Bàbá ló padà wá subsidy àwọn tó lọ sí Mọ́kà with 90 billion naira. This same bàbá ló wá subsidy, ló sọ sí dáì, ló sọ sí gbà, ló sọ sí gbò àwọn tó lọ sí Mọ́kà with 90 million naira. Àwọn Christian, they are expecting their own Jerusalem subsidy. Àwọn oníṣẹ̀ṣe àgbáyé, they are waiting for their own subsidy for Ìṣẹ̀ṣe, because it's 3 religions we have in Nigeria, and you cannot be supporting one religion and you call yourself a leader. You call yourself a leader. Lè máa sin one religion in Nigeria. We have 3 religions. So the 2 remaining religions too, they are expecting their own 90 billion. Billions ni o. Ẹ má rò pa gbàgbé o, we didn't forget 90 billion fún owó subsidy títí wọn náà. This same bàbá tó wá sọ wípé subsidy olè lọ fi ń jà. This same bàbá ló ní kó lọ lọ́nà àwọn ọmọ ní 6 billion. Ṣé rí pé bàbá fún ara wọn náà wọn gbádùn. Now this man tún wá sọ̀rọ̀. You talk about kidnapping, terrorists, gbogbo ẹ̀ wípé during Buhari regime wọ́n pa àwọn èèyàn gan, wọ́n ṣe kinní kan gan. So àsìkò tí bàbá Tinubu sì ẹ rò pé ó máa da, ẹ ti gbàgbé pé àwọn family yín ló wà ńbẹ̀. Who are those people kidnapping in Nigeria? Who are the terrorists that we have in Nigeria? Can you please point them out? Ohun tó lè mú Gumi, the more we still have Gumi in Nigeria, the more terrorists will still continue. Either you like it or not. The more we still have Gumi in Nigeria, the more kidnapping and terrorists will still continue because he's their godfather. Gumi is their godfather. Ẹ bá mi bí Mr. Man tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí pé ṣé wọn ò rí nígbà tí Gumi lọ sọ́dọ̀ àwọn kidnapper? And wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n wá àwọn terrorists, wọ́n wá kidnapper. Why tí wọ́n dẹ̀ hold Gumi àtàwọn DSS tó máa ń kó lọ síbẹ̀ tó bá ti fẹ́ lọ bá wọn? Kí wọ́n provide wọn jáde. Kí ló dé tí wọ́n lè track wọn through Gumi? Kó fi get wọn, kó fi òpin sí wàhálà tó wà Nàìjíríà. Ẹ yé tàn wá. Olórí yẹn ti kọ́ pé ẹ yé máa tàn wá. Ẹ yé máa tàn wá. You people, you are just playing political game. This man tún wá sọ̀rọ̀ wípé èwo tún ní kí tún fi sí náà nínú àwọn pọ́ìntì ẹ̀yẹ. Ó tún wá sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ní Nàìjíríà, ó ní population wọn 30 billion. And I'm very sure the Nigerian population is more than that. Nobody knows population of Nigeria because we are too much. Kò sẹ́ni tó mọ the population of Nigeria. You people are just lying. Àfi tó ní kálukú bá lọ nílùú ẹ̀, la máa tó mọ iye population. Ó ní kálukú á lọ mójútó ìṣòro ayé ẹ̀. Ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. Èkejì again, máa tún wá sọ wípé ó yẹ kí Nàìjíríà bẹ́tà. Ṣé sì lè ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ ni? Ẹ̀yin yẹ́yìn bàbá tẹ́ ń wò mí. Ṣé kò ń ṣe gbogbo awareness táwa ti create láti jọ́ ẹ̀? Gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ láti jọ́ ẹ̀. Ṣé kìí ṣe òun ní máa wá sọ yìí? Ṣé kìí ṣe gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tá à ń kà sílẹ̀ lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan tí ìlú yẹn ò lè fi dá mọ́? Ṣé kìí ṣe òun láláyé wá sọ yìí nsìn? Ẹ mọ́ gbàgbé o, ara àwọn olóṣèlú yìí nìyẹn, ara àwọn tó di kọ́kọ́rọ́ yín mú ní Nàìjíríà nìyẹn o. Ó tún wá sọ̀rọ̀ pé wọ́n ń kówó jẹ, wọ́n ṣe kíní kan, ẹ bá mi bí pé ṣé òun ò kówó jẹ rí Nàìjíríà yẹn? Aláàánú wọn ò tó. Ẹ máa understand the game tó ń lọ yìí. Ṣé kò ṣe bọ́ síta ní last year nígbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀? Àbí nígbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀ ṣé àgbóhùn ara wa ni? Nígbà tí Buhari wà ńbẹ̀, Buhari tó lò 8 years. Why tí wọn ò bọ́ síta? Wọ́n ti rò wípé mẹ́tọ̀dù táwọn ń lò pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn làwọn máa lò lọ. Géèmù wá change, tẹ́ bá gbọ́ game changer. Tinubu change géèmù. Aró orókò, aró rẹ̀ dìyẹ. Ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe wọ́n gógógó báyìí. Ká ní Tinubu bá wọn fọwọ́ sí bó ṣe ń ṣe bọ̀, bó ṣe ń pín, bó ṣe ń ṣe bọ̀ láti ilẹ̀ ni. Ikọ̀ ní wọ́n tó bó ṣe wọ́n tó yìí o. Ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan táwọn náà ṣe sọ gbogbo nǹkan di bó ṣe sọ́dà so that ara máa lè níyín. Ẹ lè sọ pé Tinubu ò dáa. Kò ní lè lọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì. Ẹ lè tún mú Fúlàní ọ̀kẹ́ fi Ṣẹ̀tìmà síbẹ̀. Ẹ wá gbọ́ o, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tàtà ni mo bá lọ́rọ̀. Kò sí bí géèmù Nàìjíríà ṣe lè change, kò lè favour wa. Àfi ká dá dúró. Nǹkan ti bàjẹ́ jìnnà ní ìlú Nàìjíríà. Gbogbo political game tí gbogbo wọn bọ́ síta tó wá sọ yìí. Tó ń bọ́ táwọn bàwọ̀ tó wá sọ oríṣiríṣi yìí. Tó sọ pé the youth are not kìnìkan. They don't know how we are spending money. They don't know anything about the house. Who are the government? Who are this? Kìnìkan. Gbogbo story yẹn ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run campaign after election ni. We have nothing to do with Nigeria. Ẹ̀yin bàbá, I saw one video this morning. Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá tí n bá gbé sórí program bóyá YouTube máa gbà. But máa try. Tí n bá ti parí program yìí, máa rọra máàchì fọ́tò yẹn. Okay, fi hàn yín gan. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n kàn display fọ́tò yẹn fún yín. Ẹ wo fọ́tò yìí. Kí lẹ rí tọ́tò jọ yẹn? Ìbọn. Wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú wọn ni. Èmi Monday lẹ ń wo program mi. Today is 26. If I'm not mistaken, is it 26? Sorry, I think it's 24. Yes, 24. June 24, 2024. 24 lè ní. Wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú wọn ní oníjọ́ Friday, which is ìjẹta. Tí ẹ bá rí fídíò yẹn, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, kí ló kó ìbọn tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń wò ìtẹ́wọ́n wo fọ́tò ẹ̀ fi rí. Ó pọ̀ gan-an. níbo tí mo ra display fún yín fẹ́rẹ́fẹ́ tẹ bá rí fídíò ẹ̀ ẹ̀rù á bà yín wọ́n sọ location tó ti mú wọn wọ́n sọ fún mi ẹjọ́ torí tó lọ́hùn kí ló fẹ́ kó wọn wá ṣe fọ́tò lẹ́yìn yóò tẹ bá rí fún fídíò àtàwọn tí wọ́n sì ẹ̀ tí ì jà àwọn míì wà wọn ò tí ì já o wọn ò tí ì já wọn nínú bus tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú wọn mú wọn ní June 21 yes 2024 ni wọ́n mú wọn eléyìí ò ṣe old video kì í ṣe old pictures o tẹ bá rí fídíò yẹn mo rí báyìí mo dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ẹni tó sẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ sí mi dẹ̀ ṣe voice note sí I'm very sure pé tí bá máa wá lọ wá bó lè jẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lára àwọn kọ́sítọ́ọ̀mù yẹn but èmi ò tọ́ pépé èèyàn there are so many people tẹ́lẹ̀ tó bá ti pè mí báyìí they will expect me to call them I will not àwọn tó jẹ́ tèmi gan mi ò pè mi ò mọ̀ ṣe ẹlòmíà pè báyìí I drop voice note I introduce ara ẹ̀ máa rí pé àwọn olóṣèlú Nàìjíríà lè kálẹ̀ lómi a fẹ́ belong a fẹ́ mingle a fẹ́ gbá cliche I don't do it mo ti gbọ́ voice note mo ti let's go even gan mi ní reply yẹn because you will not have any evidence against me ní evidence tó máa lò against me débi tó wá sọ pé bóyá ajọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ni bóyá this and that no wọ́n máa mọ̀pọ̀ ní mi tí ẹ bá gbọ́ voice note tó ṣe sísàlẹ̀ fídíò yẹn fún mi ó possible kó jẹ́ ẹ̀kan lára àwọn kọ́sítọ́ọ̀mù tó mú wọn yẹn because fídíò àwọn kọ́sítọ́ọ̀mù yẹn gbogbo ẹ̀ ó wà lọ́wọ́ mi wọ́n sẹ̀ǹdẹ̀ sí mi wọ́n ṣe ń kó gbogbo ẹ̀ sílẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí fídíò yẹn ẹ béèrè pé kí ni wọ́n kó gbogbo nǹkan tó tó ìwá ṣe ní ìlú Nàìjíríà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá lọ dọ́ọ̀lù ara yín tí yín ti bá yín gidi tẹ́ bá gbọ́ wọ́n ti fi ìṣàkàbùlà gbéná wọlé wọ́n gbé wọlé gidi tí kò ṣe kékeré kẹ́ lè mọ̀ wípé ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ lo pìpì ara yín lọ́gọ́ yín bá kí lọ́rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́yìn o tó bá dákẹ́ táyé abẹ́ dákẹ́ tó bá lọ lẹ̀ tó lọ ń ṣe suẹ̀suẹ̀ tó lọ joyè númẹ̀ bíi ti Lady K ọmọ tí ẹ bá ẹ nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n pé númẹ̀ ni Lady K tó bá lọ dọ́ọ̀lù ara ẹ̀ tí ẹ bá ẹ ara owó kan ara rẹ̀ dìyẹ àárẹ̀ àwọn olóṣèlú yẹn ti dàrú òun ló ṣe ń bọ́ta wá play game láti máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ gún wọn lára láti lè máa yọ ara wọn kúrò this man is trying to prove innocent ó ń play innocent game kẹ́lẹ̀ sọ pé wà innocent kò bá wọn jẹ kò bá wọn sí nídìí ìbàjẹ́ kò bá wọn sí nídìí kí àmàjẹmọ ìkúnnù kò bá wọn sí nídìí kí Nàìjíríà máa dà which is lie ara owó kò ní àárín wọn ti dàrú múlò ẹ ti gbà àárín wọn ni ẹ bá mi pín ètò yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn máa gbọ́ wípé mo ní wọ́n lòdù nǹkan burúkú wọlé sí Nàìjíríà nínú oṣù táwa yìí ó badness tẹ bá rí ẹrù yẹn tí ẹ bá rí àwọn ọ̀pá yẹn Jésù àyà mi jà ní mo rí fídíò yẹn báyìí mo shock mi ìlè wo tán pé kí ló dé ṣé Nàìjíríà lọ́lọ́dún gbogbo léwọ̀ mo dẹ̀ rí gbogbo àwọn kọ́sítọ́ọ̀mù yẹn kábíyèsí Elédùmarè ṣé rí gbogbo àwọn tó máa display fún wa tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ yẹn ní gbogbo 2021 2022 yẹn àwọn yẹn kéré sí tó ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kó wọlé lóṣù yìí ẹni tó dẹ̀ send voice note sí fún mi ó dẹ̀ sọ ibi tó ń kó wọn lọ tó fi mú wọn ní Nàìjíríà ta ló fẹ́ lọ fi bá jà ìbẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí wá jókòó lẹ́ ń wò lẹ́ ń retí wọn Nàìjíríà ìgò bẹ̀ta ìlú àwọn yòówù tó bá dákẹ́ tara ẹ bá dákẹ́ ẹ bá mi pín ètò tẹ bá wò mí for the first time Lady K Ìfẹ́olúwaṣe olórúkọ ti tèmi ẹ̀yin senators honourable house rep gbogbo yín ẹyẹ máa tàn wá kò sí innocent láàrin yín you are all one kankan náà ni gbogbo yín kò sí èèyàn kankan nínú yín tó lè ṣèjọba yẹn dáadáa kò sí tó lè ṣe ta lè smile lẹ́yìn ká máa smile and suffering àwọn òde ṣe yẹn mọ́ Yorùbá nation no going back no retreat no surrender ni bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn ìyá mi ẹ̀yin bàbá mi náà ẹ jẹ́ ká polówó ọjà ohun mo mi sáré òkè ẹ wá bá mi ra ẹ wá ra cream o ẹ wá ra cream ẹ wá ra ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ tó gbásìkì tó mú yes gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ tún skin yín ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ look glow ọmọ yóò lo filter o I no dey use filter o I no dey use camera wey go bring the colour out natural skin ni mo build jáde mo máa ń sọ pé me I no dey talk but natural skin mi máa make sure wípé ó yọ ó wọ̀yàn lójú dáadáa tí n bá ti ráyè tiẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ tún skin yín ṣe, gbogbo ẹ̀yin dádì, ẹ̀yin mọ́mì, ẹ tún skin yín ṣe. Àsìkò summer la wà, ẹ mọ̀ pé weather yẹn máa ń gbóná gan. Ẹlòmíì lásìkò summer yìí sí gbogbo ohun yẹn máa bọ́ọ̀nù ojú ẹ̀. Ẹ wá ra product láti iléeṣẹ́ Danari Skincare, ẹ jẹ́ kó wọn wá. Ẹ jẹ́ kó wá o. Ṣọwọ́ mi máa gbà tán báyìí. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ ó pọ̀ yẹ́ lóríṣiríṣi bẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ sí ni. Ohun ni bẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ wọn sí ni. Bẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ kí skin yín kó ṣe rí ni. Eléèlé mi ń lò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Mi ní parọ́ fún yín. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí, ìtí mo ń lò lélẹ́yìí. Ṣáà tí mo tún gbójú mi súnmọ́ kámẹ́rà kẹ́ lè rí dáadáa. This is the one I'm using. Tí bá sá sẹ́yìn tó bá jẹ́ fítà ni, ṣé ti rí? Tó bá jẹ́ fítà ni mo lò. Kò ní pick ojú mi bí mo ṣe wà. Kò ní pick skin mi, ọwọ́ mi lẹ̀ ń wò látọ̀ọ̀kan yìí. Mo ti jìnnà sí kámẹ́rà báyìí. Ṣé ti rí mi? Tó bá jẹ́ fítà ni kò lè pick ẹ̀. Àfi tí bá súnmọ́ kámẹ́rà ni fítà máa pick ẹ̀. Ohun ni àṣírí ẹwà yẹn ni. Ọṣẹ tí mo lò sójú mi lélẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ bá mi ṣí ètò yìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin dádì ẹ̀yin mọ́mì ẹ bá mi rà fúnra yín. Mọ́mì ẹ rà fún dádì, dádì ẹ rà fún mọ́mì. Ọṣẹ tí mo máa ń lò fún face mi ni tí bá ti jí láàárọ̀, máa wá fi pa báyìí. Máa fi pa face mi, máa fi pa no makeup. Máa fi pa dé ọrùn mi. Mo máa ń lò sọ́rùn náà ọṣẹ tẹ́ ń wò yìí. Máa wá fílẹ̀, máa lọ máa ṣe nǹkan tí bá fẹ́ ṣe. Tí bá ti wá ṣe tán, máa kọ́ dẹ̀ bomi sí ni, máa kọ́ dẹ̀ fomi fọ. Máa ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá bú ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ mi wà ní bedroom. Iléeṣẹ́ Danari náà ló ṣe. Máa wá bú ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ mi, mo ti display rẹ̀ lórí platform dáadáa. White báyìí. Máa wá bú ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ yẹn, máa bù sí kọ̀ọ̀kan, máa wá fi wẹ̀. Ṣíkẹ́ná. Tí bá ti wá wẹ̀ tán, máa wá gbé cleanser mi. Mo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lo cleanser ni. Mi ò lò tẹ́lẹ̀. Oyídàmọ́lá ló ṣe mí lóge. Ẹ bú mi o ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá content. Kẹ́ bú mi. Ohun à ń jẹ là ń tà. Ohun ni cleanser lélẹ̀. Máa wá ra fi sí cotton wool. Máa wá clean ẹ̀. Tí bá ti wá clean ẹ̀ tán, àṣírí tó tẹ̀lé lélẹ̀. Face cream tí mo ń lò sí ni. Face cream tí mo ń lò sí ojú mi. Tí ò ní pimples ẹ wò dáadáa. Ẹ wò mi, ẹ tún mi wò. Ẹ wò mi, ẹ tún mi wò. Ohun nìyí tí mo ń lò sí ni. Àṣírí yẹn lélẹ̀. This is another face cream. This is another face cream. Mi ò tí máa lo lè but mo ti lò rí. Ohun mo ń lò gbogbo ìgbà tí mo wà Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá rí nígbà tí mo wà Nàìjíríà náà ẹ mọ̀ pé yes. Body cream tí mo ń lò Nàìjíríà lélẹ̀. The same company ló ń ṣe wọ́n. The same ilé-iṣẹ́ Danari Skincare ló ṣe. Elé gangan ni mo ń lò Nàìjíríà tẹ́lẹ̀. Elé ni mo ń lò. With my face soap ni mo ń lò Nàìjíríà. So, ó wà pa bẹ́ bá ṣe fẹ́ kí skin yín kó ṣe jáde sí ni. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá fẹ́ bá mi láùdú ẹ̀ tán, tẹ́ fẹ́ kọ́ mọ̀ pé yes, òyìnbó lọmọ láti ilẹ̀, ó kàn lọ wá sílùú Nàìjíríà ni. Ọ́ìlì tẹ́ máa lò lélẹ̀. Ọṣẹ ni. Ṣé rí ọṣẹ yìí? Ẹ lè lò láì lo cream, skin yín máa jáde. Skin yín máa ṣe kí ni? Ó máa jáde síta. Ẹ kàn bá mi lò báyìí. Tẹ́ bá ti jí ẹ mú ọṣẹ yẹn bù sọ́wọ́, ẹ fomi sí, kẹ́ fi scrub body yín délẹ̀. Ó lè jẹ́ 20 minutes, ó lè jẹ́ 10 minutes. Tẹ́ bá ṣe ní time sí, tó bá lè jẹ́ 5 minutes náà. Tẹ́ bá dé ní time kò matter. But kí ṣe yẹn lè tètè pick out. Ẹ rọra fi pa body yín. Tẹ́ bá dé ti ready ẹ lọ wẹ̀ dànù. Any cream yín kẹ́ wá gbélé. Àjàchàchà ẹ mọ̀ pé rere ni Jésù mi. Ohun nìyí. Oil yìí tẹ́ bá gbọ́ confirm sharp number jet tó fast dákú. Ohun ni oil mi ò lò ó because mo ti lò lẹ́ẹ̀mejì mo ti ríṣẹ́ mo ní no. Àwọn ọmọ mi kan ti máa wọ́n ní pé Lady K, I like skin ẹ̀ bó ṣe wà. Má lọ yí sókè. Tẹ́ bá dé wá tún wá ní kí n lò, màá lò. Yay! Ọlọ́run ṣàánú mi. Ohun ni very active. Mo lò 2 days, mo mọ̀ pé yes, mo ya stop ẹ̀. Mo ya ṣe kí ni mo ya ra stop ẹ̀ pé no, àwọn èèyàn béèrè pé Lady K, ṣówó tó kọ́ rí ní Canada ó lọ fi wẹ̀nu máṣíìnì ni ó máa ti dòyìnbó tán. Mo ya stop ẹ̀. Àṣírí yẹn lélẹ̀. So ọgbà yìí tẹ́ bá fẹ́ lo cream tó wà pa tí ò ṣe tó máa jẹ yín ní skin. Tẹ́ fẹ́ lo ọṣẹ ìwẹ̀ tó dáa. Ẹ pè mí. Ẹ wò mí báyìí. Look at the color. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ní dark knuckle èmi gan máa ní kó bá mi send ti dark knuckle ẹ mọ̀ omi tá à ń tọwọ́ bọ̀ labroad kò sí no máa change ọwọ́ ṣá ni so gba ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ní dark knuckle wọ́n ní oil tó wà active dáadáa fún dark knuckle wọ́n máa bá mi send ẹ rí knuckle mi bó ṣe máa padà rí bí fèsì mi ṣe rí ni knuckle mi ṣe máa padà rí láì tí ló gan ìyàtọ̀ díẹ̀ ló wà ń bẹ̀ díẹ̀ tíntín ní gbogbo ẹ máa ṣe kí ni ó máa mọ́ dọ́gba ni so gba ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ní àwọn product yẹn ẹ gbá mi ní aago gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wá ní the product jẹ̀dí ò máa kọ̀wé jẹ̀dí ò mọ sister ẹ má jẹ́ kíyàwó yín kọ̀ ní ẹ̀yìn dáàdì mi obìnrin ó máa ń kọ ọkùnrin nítorí bẹ́ẹ̀dì o jẹ̀dí dẹ̀ máa ń kọ̀ sí ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ní lè ṣe dáadáa lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dì so mo fi yọ́nú olówó ọba bẹ̀yẹn má jẹ́ kọ́kọ́ yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ nídìí tí máa ń power tó máa lé dáadáa tẹ́ máa jì wọ́n báyìí tán máa rò bóyá lé ọmọ fẹ́ já ni ẹ gbá mi láago kí n fún yín fóònù ọba iléeṣẹ́ TL Natural Herbal ìlú Èkó làwọn wà ní títí wọn wọ́n ní ti jẹ̀dí ti diabetes tara ríro ti manpower àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ èyí tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ ní kẹ́ ọ́dà fún ojú òní tì yín ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bá mi share ètò mi mo fi yọ́nú Olódùmarè bẹ̀yín ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ bá mi share sí gbogbo WhatsApp contact yín gbogbo group ẹ ṣe ojú òní tì yín ire o.